Well, welcome to Yabo Yabbos, and today it's just me, and this is going to be a long one, so you might see some outfit changes and all the rest of it go along. Went to the junkyard, picked up a spoiler off a Honda Accord, and so this is going to go on the Toyota, just to offend all the Toyota fans around there. I did make a mistake though. When you put it on the hood, or in this case, on the trunk of a car, it's plenty wide enough. But what you forget when you're at the pick and pull in these things, is that when you put it on the roof, not so wide. So we're going to do a little modification to this, whereby we chop the center out, glue it back together, and make it work. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm back again. Another day, another shirt. I got the spoiler. First thing to do is, there's a light in here. So I went ahead, undid the screw, and then this light kind of, it lifted up, and it's clicked in by two pieces. I haven't been able to figure out how to get this off, but for right now, this was attached to there. Just going to move it out the way and measure up from a center point. So let's get the center point on. Marked my center point. I want to cut maybe, let's cut 3 inches either side of that, because it looks like there's some supporting stuff in there, and then we'll figure out how we're going to chop this and then chop this bit. So I'm thinking I can take a multi-tool, cut, and then this is just a strip of LEDs inside along here, chop off the end of the strip and put the two pieces back together, and hopefully it's clicked in by these clips, so maybe just clip them in and that'll hold it with maybe a bit of RTV silicone sealant. Anyway, one last thing to do with that is put some painter's tape around it, so that when I run it through the chop saw, we don't end up with a load of little splinters. Wish me luck, this could be the end of this episode. Well, I'm back, this time with glasses and power tools. Wish me luck. Well, that went much better than expected. Nice, clean, well, dusty, but cleanish cut. Now from the other side. Let's flip it over a bit. Should have worn dust mask. Oh well, live and learn. One less bit spoiler. Tape said 2 bits together, and now we have a shorter spoiler. Let's go test fit it on the car before we put the tools away. A little too wide. Well, it's a little too wide, but we'll trim a little bit out the center, and I think it'll be a good fit. Well, folks, there it is. It's sagging a little in the middle because it's held together by tape, but my plan is to epoxy 2 or 3 pieces of wood across here and then in the front, and it should lift up, and then maybe touch up some paint. And if I can get the red light back in there, that'd be even better. It's gonna look good. Well, after some more finagling, here it is. As you can see, just kind of attached. I cut out some little blocks of wood that I'm going to put in the joint, and then here's the light, which probably doesn't work anymore considering I hacked it up. And then there's the join with the wood and the two pieces. So all that's really left to do is glue it all together, and then run it by Ian and see if he approves. This may or may not get his approval, but it's going to be fun. Well, I'm back. A lot of glue later and a lot of energy expended, and here we go, the final result. What do you think, guys? The light doesn't work, and it ain't actually bolted down yet, but thumbs up. Should we mount it to the car? Thumbs down. It makes it look like crap. What do you think? This is Dave signing off, and I'll see you on the next one.